Okay, so first we're gonna start by spraying with a little organic olive oil spray. I love this. I even use it on my cast iron pans, like for baking bread and stuff. But anyway, this is something I always have done. I don't really know why. People complain about rice sticking, but I never have had a problem. Maybe it's because I use this every time. It's just something I decided to do. But anyway, I've got my ceramic nonstick liner in here. I've used the stainless steel too for the rice, and it doesn't matter. It works the same. This just happens to be the one that's clean. So that's what we're using. So I just sort of give it a little spray on the bottom. Next, I'm gonna put the rice in, and I am doubling this recipe because my family eats a lot of rice, but the ratio is 1 cup rice to 1 1/4 cup water. So that means I'm gonna have 2 cups rice and 2 1/2 cups of water and 2 pinches of salt. So here we go, 2 1/2 cups of water. Put that in. And then just a couple pinches of salt. And then I'm just gonna stir it to make sure that all the little pieces of rice are down in there. Okay, I've got my lid all ready here. I've got the, I don't even know the parts. That's so unprofessional. Pressure valve? Yeah, pressure valve is put in there. It's going to be turned to sealing. I've got my ring in there, nice and tight, and whatever this little deal is comes off and on to wash. That's on, good and tight, ready to go. So you're going to put your lid on and turn it until you hear that little cute sound. Then you know it's on there good. So here that sound is again. You can turn that off, but I actually like having it on. So I'm gonna make sure now, like I said, that my valve is turned to sealing. Then I'm gonna hit the rice button and just let it go. And notice it says normal. You don't have to hit anything else, just hit the rice button and it will do its thing. So once, that's auto, so I think it kind of goes like on weight, because I've noticed if I put 3 cups, it's a different time compared to, say, 1 cup of rice. So anyway, once that is finished, we will release the pressure immediately. Okay, so at this point, I'm gonna hit cancel, because otherwise it would start counting up, keeping it warm. As you can see, that's lit up. I do not want that because it will continue to cook the rice. So I hit cancel. So then it's off. It's not going to keep it warm anymore. And now I'm going to release the pressure fully. So I'm going to turn this. I have it on a little Lazy Susan so that I can keep it from messing up my cabinets when I turn it. And I always use something because I'm kind of a chicken, so. Okay, so as you can see, the pressure has fully released, and the way I know is because that little pin is down. If it was up level with the surface of the lid, then it would not be fully released. So now I know I can open my lid. Not all models are the same, so you kind of just have to keep that in mind. So now I'm gonna turn it and take off my lid. And now I just sort of scrape it. This is how you fluff it with the fork. You just kind of scrape it. Oh, it's perfect. Absolutely perfect. And there you go. Perfect rice in the Instant Pot. Every time. Just use that rice button. I'm telling you, every single time. I will leave a link, by the way, to this liner in the description bar, and also a link to this recipe if you want to print it out. as well as some other recipes. My Spanish rice recipe I will link in a card that you can click right now and watch that video. And check out my blog for some more Instant Pot recipes.